Oh, the
Hello.
banana returns. Very good. Hello?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Hi.
It's great. I love these animations. How do you make that
Yeah.
happen?
Yeah, it's
Very
not me.
cool.
It's the very clever people in Snap.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what we're going to do now is just announce puzzle 4. So let me I just managed to lose my screen. Give me a second. Where did I put it? Where is it? There we go. Okay, so Kobe, what can you tell us about puzzle number 4, hidden in sight?
Yeah, so as people have noticed, puzzles have been becoming harder and harder. So I think this will also hold true. So this puzzle is called Hidden in Plain Sight. As you will see, it's about de-anonymizing an account that should have been hidden. So that's gonna take some nice techniques in order to de-anonymize. So I hope you'll have fun. It's developed by the Unknown people, specifically Josh, that you've just seen, is the one that created it. And I think in general, I can give the general guidelines. So please, when you share the solution with us, do not make the repository public by forking it. Instead, share a private repository with us. You will get hints as the days pass, 1 hint per day, on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can submit individually, or you can form teams. But if you form a team, of course, the submission that you make is counted as one. And yeah, I hope you'll have a lot of fun. And yeah, I'm excited to see what people come up with.
Very cool. And yeah, you have until Monday night, next Monday, coming Monday, the day before the next ZK Hack session. There will be tips, hints coming, and yeah, we can't wait to see you there. I think I just shared a link to the puzzle page. Do we know, has it been updated? Let's see if it's live yet.
So the repository is now public.
Okay. And it looks like the page has been updated. So it looks like you can go and try your hand at puzzle number 4. So I guess that wraps up this ZK Hack session. Oh yeah, and actually, before we wrap up, let me just mention that next week we have ZK Hack 5. We're doing it at the same time, same place, and this will be hosted by Aztec. So if you're curious about what they're up to, do join us for that. Cool. All right, Kobe, thanks. And to everybody, thanks for coming out. All right, see you soon.
Bye.